Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to Blofin wallet. So guys, follow me and the steps and let's get started. What you have to do, guys, for this first step, go to your Blofin app and click on wallet here and click deposit. I'll click on deposit option. After that, select your any crypto coin you want to transfer, for example USDT. Choose the USDT from your wallet. After that, guys, choose your network. You have Tron, Ethereum and BNB, and you make sure you have fees, guys, and you make transfer from this network. After that, guys, go to copy your address and open your Coinbase and click transfer. And after that, click send crypto option. And after that, what you have to do, next step, choose the crypto you want to transfer. For example, you choose USDT from Blofin, choose USDT and copy your address, and then choose your amount you want to transfer from Coinbase and confirm your transaction. This is how you can do, guys. This is how you can do to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Blofin. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.